Hey, what's up everybody? Chris Young, Gander RV and Outdoors, standing inside the 2020 Forest River Ozark 1650 bunkhouse travel trailer. If you're looking to upgrade the camping experience, your family doesn't need a whole lot, you need a travel trailer that's roughly 4,000 pounds, this might be the one for you. What do you say we check out right here? Open floor plan. So the master bedroom is up front in the end cap. We got a queen size intercoil spring mattress that is also hyperallergenic. And check out underneath, we got pass-through storage accessible from outside. So if you want to go on a hunting trip, a fishing trip, and you got those rods, rifles, cases, you want to put them in here but access them from the outside, or use it as a makeshift laundry basket, great spot to do that. Large window right over here on the off-camp side to help with natural light and some air. And I'm a big fan of how Forest River did the graphite style interior. We got the dark brushed nickel fixtures, plenty of overhead storage, ward storage on the side. You even have a nightstand as well as a dual USB charger and power port down there. Plenty of room too when you're moving around. For a travel trailer that does not have a slide, this is pretty roomy. TV backer is right here on the off-camp side, as well as your satellite connections, power port. This is pre-wired for Wi-Fi, so if you're looking for bang for your buck, this is a fantastic option for the entry-level camper that's looking to kind of upgrade. We got ourselves a Furion microwave, large single basin, farmhouse style sink with the brushed nickel high-rise faucet, 2-burner Suburban stove, campside window. I'm also a fan of the frosted glass inlays here on the shaker style cabinets. Give me a little pantry storage. We got a 6-foot cubic fridge that works on both gas and electric with the automatic switch, freezer up top, plenty of space for that couple or small family. And we got some more storage underneath the sink down here, as well as solid wood construction. You're going to notice this too about the doors and the cabinets. They're not skimping on the details. Forest River built a good trailer with these here. Full extension on the ball bearing drives, solid wood construction. Got ourselves a little booth dinette here. So if you're one of those families that's small, maybe you got a couple of small kids, or you just want to do something for the weekender, these are the weekender travel trailers. Great spot to reconnect with those loved ones. Unplug from everything, reconnect with the people that you love most. Got a large bay window here on the off-camp side, wood valance. Look up top, and I have some more shaker style cabinets with storage right there. And check out the indoor-outdoor speaker that we have hanging from the straps right here. That's Bluetooth. So when you're ready to go hiking, if you're one of those adventurous couples and you want to get outside and do some stuff, take that with you, bring it back. It comes with the travel trailer. More storage space up top. Like I said again, I like this dark graphite style feel and decor. USB charging ports right here on the bunks. We got a 13,500 BTU air conditioner, 20,000 BTU furnace, plenty of heat and AC for this camper. And yes, it is a slideless bunkhouse travel trailer. Got a top bunk. These are double over double bunks with the Teddy Bear series mattresses, the thick plush fur covered mattresses. Even have some storage space underneath. That's going to be a good spot for the kids. Easily fit a child, definitely an adult. Plenty of room. And we come into the bathroom. Now this is where things get a little tight. Got the plastic bowl with the foot flush. I got a mirror right there for when I'm ready to check myself out for the day. But look at the single surround shower that we have here with the skylight. Plenty of room left to right. And thanks to the skylight, I have enough headroom as well. But if you notice this herringbone pattern in the shower and the single surround, now, Bob, take a look at the floor too. That herringbone pattern is an accent that goes all the way through this travel trailer, making it residential. It's easy to clean and slip resistant. Just a good option. So if you're looking for bang for your buck, you're looking for a good entry-level camper, this 2020 Forest River Ozark 1650 BH, especially for a bunkhouse, it's a great option. So what do you say we go gander at the outside, see what's out there? Okay, so here we are on the outside, the 2020 Forest River Ozark 1650 BH. Great entry-level travel trailer. What do you say we start right up front? We got the fiberglass seamless roof that goes all the way over the top, diamond-plated rock guard, 20-pound LP tank up front. And when we come around to the campsite, if you do have solar panels, get your 10-amp quick connect right there. Easy to find, easy to set up. Leveling jacks in the front and the rear. Fold up stairs going into the entry point, as well as an extra large grab handle that doubles as a door guard. And if you notice, we got the large awning with the LED light strip underneath. Good coverage for when you want to come out here and entertain. Got a power port right here if you did want to plug in cell phone, boombox, freshwater connection, black tank flush, which is a great option to have on a camper like this. Keep on moving down. We got the 4x4 sewer hose storage there, spare tire on the back. City water connection is right here. Plus, we have an external shower with hot and cold. Talk about cleaning up and not tracking all that bad stuff in that beautiful herringbone floor. Good option to have there. Sealed safety, tinted glass all the way around this camper. These are the bunks that are on the rear off-camp side. And you'll notice we're also set up for backup camera. Plus, we have those arch ceilings and those 3-inch nozzles on each side. That's going to help keep the elements off the top of the camper and off of you and the people that are doing the entertaining. Come around to the off-camp side here. We got a cable satellite plug there. Our drains right here, black tank and gray tanks. You'll see the handles, the colors matching. Got our 30-amp plug here, which is a retractable cord, so you won't have to worry about losing that one while you're out and about. The large window right there at the dinette. That's a great way to let in the air and the light. And if you remember when I showed you in the master bedroom, look at the size of this storage area. Plus it's finished off and you can access it from the master bedroom or outside. But the most important part of any travel trailer is going to be the info panel right here. For example, gross vehicle weight on this one, 3,900 pounds. You want to ask your specialist at Gander RV and Outdoors, what does that mean? Here's what my truck can tow. Is this the right vehicle for me? But if you're the adventurous family, you don't need a whole lot of amenities. You just need what you need, and you want something entry level to upgrade that camping experience. Check out this Forest River Ozark 1650 bunkhouse travel trailer. You can't go wrong. Plus it's priced fantastically. Is that a word? I don't know. Tell me what you like. Leave me some comments down below or tell me what you didn't like. I love hearing from you, and please like and subscribe. I'm Chris Young for Gander RV and Outdoors. Thank you for spending time with me today. I appreciate it. Look forward to seeing you soon. And as always, come check out a camper, man. They're fun.